It's a Tuesday today, and we are about to find out what is making crypto news today. It's interesting news that we are about to read on this very day. Let us quickly find out what are the news for today. These are the news. WSJ. Changpeng Zhao to step down, plead guilty as part of Binance DOJ settlement. Now this is the CEO of Binance. Let's go ahead and find out why did he plead guilty. Mr. Changpeng Zhao to step down. Just wondering what's going on, but let us quickly read about it and find out. In reports from Forbes and the Wall Street Journal, sources familiar with the matter state that Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao will be forced to step down from his role at the world's largest exchange as part of a $4.3 billion settlement. So this is reports from Forbes and Wall Street. They have sources that state that the CEO of Binance is about to step down from his role. This is at the world's largest exchange as part of a $4.3 billion settlement. So he has to settle with a $4.3 billion. As part of the settlement, Zhao will plead guilty to violating criminal U.S. anti-money laundering requirements. So this has to do with money laundering. So he has violated that according to the U.S. anti-money law. So Zhao steps down. Zhao is currently scheduled to appear in the federal court in Seattle on Tuesday afternoon, which happened today. The deal is believed to preserve the exchange's ability to continue operating. So this is to ensure that the exchange continues to operate even without the CEO. It is rumored that Zhao may be able to retain majority ownership, but would not be able to hold an executive role within Binance. So can still remain being a major shareholder, but he won't be able to come up with ideas and execute them as a leader due to this issue of money laundering. The announcement comes just 3 days before Caesar took to X to share. Knowing when to let go control of a company you founded is one of the trickiest decisions. So this is very painful to Caesar. We were used to him seeing videos from him. Now it seems like it won't be the case. So investors and founders don't always align. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. To be fair, no two person can always be 100% aligned. I am both a founder and investor. Knowing when to let go of a company you founded is one of the trickiest decisions. It's true. Although there are still no comments from any of the related parties, it is worth noting that the Securities and Exchange Commission is not participating. Now these are the settlement details. This news comes at the same time the DOJ awaits the unveiling of a resolution with Binance in the wake of widespread reports on a multi-billion-dollar settlement and substantial regulatory enforcement notice. U.S. Attorney General Merrick Garland is expected to publicly announce a settlement of $4.3 billion with Binance, marking the culmination of an extensive investigation into allegations of fraud, money laundering, and involvement in terror finance, according to Bloomberg. Coinbase director has since shared his response to the news, stating Binance is in the position able to pay the fine without any crypto asset sales. I backed out Binance Corporate's crypto holdings from their proof of reserves, $6.5 $3.35 billion US dollars total assets, $3.19 billion dollars in stablecoin. Doesn't include off-chain cash balance or funds held in wallet, held in POR, most likely able to pay full 4.3 billion DOJ fine with zero crypto asset sales. Now this is from the Coinbase director, which is Connor. Now these are the news for this very evening. Mr. CJ, known to us as CJ, is actually Chao Peng-Zhao, the CEO of Binance, about to step down due to allegations of money laundering from the U.S. anti-money laundering talking about this issue. It's truly sad news, but what can we say as CZ just said that being an investor and the owner, or rather the founder, it's not a good decision that one can actually make. Having seen and read the news for this very evening, let us just quickly find out what is making our cryptocurrencies to bubble today. Are the bubbles popping or are the bubbles dropping? Let us quickly find out. And this is for the month. Remember, you can always go back and check for the hour, day, week, but I'm just focused on the month. We can see that the highest cryptocurrency that is performing pretty well for the month, it's TAO, which is up by $361. We have the next one being FTT, 254%. Gas is up by 205%. The other coins are above 100%, others are below 100%, but there's one odd coin which is down by 40.9%, and that is EHEX. Yes, that is the cryptocurrencies and how they are bubbling today. Now, if you would like to see your cryptocurrencies bubble and you don't want to stress about your cryptocurrencies being in a negative of which you encounter losses, you might consider getting a mentor. And this is my mentor. His name is James McMahon. He actually runs a YouTube channel which is called Crypto with James. He has over 40,000 subscribers. As of October this year, 2023, James has made more than 1,029 videos with the aim to help regular people retire early by knowing which coins to best profit from. I think there's other people that are quite stressed at their place of work and they would like to retire early. This might be something that you might consider and take it up and see how far it takes you, because James takes immense pride in not mincing his words. He has actually recommended 26 coins for his viewers to invest in. So if you were one of these viewers and you happen to invest $100 into each coin that he has recommended, you would have spent a total of $2,600 and your profit would have been $123,795 in profit. You would have made a lot of money if you were in this position. You can actually see the proof with exact numbers and dates, all which you can actually verify for yourself on YouTube. We have seen different cryptocurrencies that were listed on our crypto bubbles on this very evening, but we haven't seen the master of all cryptocurrencies, which is Bitcoin. I have to mention this cryptocurrency because it is still number one to date from its inception. This coin that we are talking about, it's called Bitcoin. It's a cryptocurrency. It's a visual currency designed to act as money and a form of payment outside the control of any one person, group, or entity, thus removing the need for third-party involvement in financial transactions. It is awarded to blockchain miners for verifying transactions, and it can be purchased on several exchanges. Let us not forget that the cryptocurrency space is quite volatile. Number 2 reads that it is liable to change rapidly and unpredictable, especially for the worse. It means that if the price doesn't go up, it will go down in a very, very short space of time. It could happen in seconds, meaning that you could be in profits, and then the next few seconds you are not in profit. That's how volatile this cryptocurrency space is. It could go down for the worse, the price, or the price can go up for the better, and you might be celebrating. Remember that if you consider being in this volatile space, you need to know about basic information, which is called the market cycles in cryptocurrencies. Now, this is a typical example that I will be breaking down for you so that you can understand what we are talking about. 2022 bear market, it means that cryptocurrencies were not performing well. Prices were depreciating by 40, 60 to as far as 90%. And then this was last year. In 2023 accumulation, this means that seasoned cryptocurrency investors are buying more cryptocurrencies at a discount price to add into their portfolios. In 2024 Bitcoin halving cycle, this happens every 4 years. It simply means that Bitcoins that are mined will be cut into half to counteract inflation and to maintain scarcity. This has an impact to drive the price to an uptrend in most cases, which drives the price to go up and could put cryptocurrencies investors in profits on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. It is highly possible during this period. And then 2025 will be the bull run. This is the time when cryptocurrencies will be performing very well. Prices will be appreciating. Others might go up by 100%, 500%, 1000, even above that. It depends on the cryptocurrency that might be performing at that time. It's just a speculation. You can do your own research regarding this, as you will be preparing for the next cryptocurrency bull run. But this happens in the cryptocurrency space, so do look out for that. Now, if you would like to know how to put together your own cryptocurrencies, you actually need to have this kind of information before you can consider buying cryptocurrencies for yourself. Having the basic information about the market cycles, you also need to know about how to build a long-term cryptocurrency portfolio. Before us, we have an example. The code stands for a cryptocurrency that you have in your cryptocurrency account. The amount has to do with the amount of cryptocurrencies you have. BTC value, the value of your cryptocurrency in BTC. USD value, the value of your cryptocurrency in US dollar. Wallet value, are you in profit? Are you not in profit? Is your cryptocurrency breaking even? It has to do with the wallet value. The exchange has to do with where you are buying your cryptocurrencies. You are withdrawing your cryptocurrencies, and you are even storing your cryptocurrencies. Percentages of holdings has to do with the percentages of the cryptocurrencies that you have in your cryptocurrency wallet, which has to do with the amount that you have invested on these cryptocurrencies. Now, note that the crypto market has actually returned over 900% since 2017 to date. This journey hasn't been all smooth, as evident from the often unprecedented deep and high trends of this market. But in the long haul, its valuation has been increasing as more investors join the trade. With this in mind, the idea of targeting long-term gains is actually more appealing than you chasing short-term profits, which are actually not as much as the former. Now, while you are investing in the long-term promises greater returns, please note that this method requires you to have patience, keep your emotions under check in all market times. To achieve this, you should only invest an amount that you can live without. So no matter what happens, you won't have the urge to sell your cryptocurrencies to sustain yourself. Also, having a cushion to fall back on will actually prevent you from panic selling. Now, why should you consider a long-term cryptocurrency investment? Foregoing the short-term profits in favor of long-term gains is not only highly rewarding, but is also less risky. As such, you don't have to worry about missing out on leveraging into a position or time in the market. Because day trading and short-term investment is characterized by numerous transactions whose fees can quickly accumulate and eat into your profit. But when you invest in the long term, all you have to do is just to pick a few cryptocurrencies that you like and then wait for prices to go up during the bullrun. It will help you reduce the number of transactions. It will also save you the fees that come with active trading for daily traders. Indicators of long-term value. When you build a long-term portfolio, it actually has to do with the type of digital currencies that you invest in. There's over 1,000 cryptocurrencies in the market. It can be overwhelming to choose one that will pay you off in the long run. Now, here are a few factors that you need to consider when you choose your cryptocurrencies for your long-term life portfolio. You need to consider the market cap. You can pause the video and read all about it. You need to consider the utility value. You can pause the video, read all about it, the industry, and then don't be too rigid. And then the conclusion, I will read it that the above tips will help you build a long-term portfolio, but note that the crypto market is highly volatile. To keep up with the trends, it demands that you regularly, on a time-to-time basis, you have to regularly track and rebalance your portfolio in line with your objectives. It's also a good idea to keep tabs on market events such as government laws in your jurisdiction regarding cryptocurrencies. These events usually have an impact on price movements. So if you don't want to track and rebalance your portfolio and you don't want to keep tabs on market events which has to do with government laws, what else? You don't want to keep tabs on market events, yes. And you don't want to stress about this volatile market. I think you can actually consider having peace of mind and copy someone who has been in the cryptocurrency space, who has done very well, and the history and the facts are out there. You can check Crypto with James to verify this information so that you know that when you make this decision, what is your position and your potential gains and the type of lifestyle that you might live if you do what James is recommending. It is a possibility. Remember, it's not 100% guarantee. This is a volatile market, but James has done well. The records are there. Without further ado, I would like to introduce this Copy My Crypto by James, which gives you a chance to retire young. This is for people who want to retire young by copying his every investment. If you still want to continue working, but you would like to make a sound investment that might put you in a position where you might be financially well off, remember, no financial advice. James is saying that the next 2 years will see returns upwards of 100 times. We have seen profits that are more than 100 times on our bubbles, which is crypto bubbles. And with a genuine shot at over 1,000 times as well. Now, James plans to milk every penny possible. So if you would like to join him and see his every investment, then James invites you to join his Copy My Crypto membership club. So it's a members club that you can copy James from. Inside the members club, James will show you every coin that he holds. He will even send you live emails, updates 48 hours prior to when he chooses to buy or sell anything. So it makes no difference if you know about cryptocurrencies or not. You will see his every move, which you can copy exactly. So membership also include step-by-step videos. This is on how to invest if you've never done so before. So there's no guesswork, no jargon, no confusion, just profits. It really is that simple. But to show you more, you can actually see how it all works by visiting Copy My Crypto with my referral link, which will be available in the description of this video. You can just scroll down. You will find the link down there. Copy it, paste it on your browser, go to the Copy My Crypto membership club site, read all about it, find out who is James, what is his profession, who are the members of Copy My Crypto, what are their achievements, and the testimonials. They will be right there. Then if you would like to copy James, you are more than welcome. You can just sign up and be a member. Remember, when you retire young, you might live a lifestyle like this gentleman on the left. But if you don't retire early, you might be old and retire late and be like this old gentleman. Life is yours. Choices are yours as to which path you would like to take. With that being said, let me just quickly check as to what is it that I didn't cover. Okay, let me see. I have covered what I had to cover. Now let us close by checking what is my interest for this very evening. What catches my eye? And should I be financially well off, what would I like to choose to have from this very platform? Let me scroll down. Let us see right here. Oh, I saw an interior of the house. I like this. This is beautiful. This caught my eye. I would like to have this luxury office. It's a beautiful office. Feels like being a CEO on top of your game. Remember, it's cash money master. I want to make that cash. I want to make that money. And I want to be a master of it. So not only am I inspired by this interior, let me just show you what else inspires me for this very evening. Let me quickly see. It is going out and see the sunrise, listen to the sounds of the birds, and just chill there at the beach and enjoy myself with those that are close to me. With that being said, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, click the like button to show that you appreciate the content. Kindly share this video with your friends, colleagues, family members, your significant other, and anyone that you have in mind that you would like them to have this information. Remember that I have previous videos. Please go to video number 50 and below that to see information that I had shared prior to this, which is basic crypto information that has to do with the difference between crypto and fiat currency, comparing those currencies, talking about Bitcoin halving, talking about market cycles, talking about a crypto portfolio, talking about coin market cap headlines. Those things are right there, even talking about my mentor. That information is right there. This is for people that are new to the channel, people that are new to the cryptocurrency space. Please head back to those videos. They are very, very important. I will put up a link. Remember, this is for Copy My Crypto. I will include the second link that has to do with how to register your Binance account, get verified. Another link has to do with how to fund your Binance account and also link your bank account. And last but not least, I will include a link regarding today's news that has to do with the CEO of Binance, CZ, known as Changpeng Zhao, pleading guilty, and he is stepping down as well. With that being said, we have reached the conclusion of our presentation for this very evening. Signing out, one and only Cash Money Master. I will see you in the next one.